creators, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to share how to create stunning AI videos using Google AI Studio. If you are promoting a brand, a product, or your next big idea, this AI tool will have your ideas ready in minutes. So grab your ideas, let's turn them into magic AI style. And hey, if you love learning new tech tips, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you never miss a tech tip from us. Let's dive in.
The first thing you do is to come to ChatGPT to help you generate the prompt for your video script. So here, this is the prompt I entered. I said generate a short advert. This is my prompt. Generate a short advert video script for Nescafe coffee brand. So you can tweak it to suit your own brand. Then this is the prompt ChatGPT generated for me. Awaken your moments with Nescafe, opening scene, narrator, the next scene. So what you're going to do is to copy this prompt. Copy the prompt and paste it on your notepad or on your Word. If you have the Word app on your phone, paste it there. Copy it and paste it on your notepad or on Word app if you have the Word app on your device. Then the next thing is to generate the images for your video. Now I use Meta AI to generate the images. Those images, I use Meta AI to generate them. Here, this is, you come to WhatsApp. I use ordinary WhatsApp, not WhatsApp business, just WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp app. Got it here. This is WhatsApp, ordinary WhatsApp. It's not WhatsApp business. Then this is Meta AI. Click on Meta AI. Then you type in the prompt. This is the first image that I generated. Generate an image showing a soft morning light. From that prompt, that is where you get this is the prompt. From that prompt that ChatGPT generated, I copied this part, then I added generate an image showing this. Then it generated this image. This is for the second image, this is for the third image, and the last image. Then the next thing I did is to click on the images too. Then click on this icon here, then click on save. Then to save it into your device. Once you save it to your device, remember this image came with a watermark. Look at the watermark here. So in your device, from your gallery, when you click on your gallery, this is not my gallery, so I won't be able to edit. When you click on your gallery, you click on the image, open the image inside your gallery, then click on crop and gently crop. Let me look for it. Let me do that from my gallery. This is my gallery. Let me look for pictures, images, downloads. This is an image. Let me just use any random image. Then click on edit here. Then this is edit again. Click on crop. Then gently move it. Remember the watermark is somewhere here. Move it to remove that watermark. Then click on this arrow to save it. It has been saved. Then you do the same for all the images you generated to remove the watermark, because the watermark is not supposed to show in your video. It doesn't make your video professional. So this is how I generated the pictures, the images, and the prompts I use for my video. Then once this is done, you head over to your browser and continue from there. On your browser, type in aistudio.google.com and it's going to bring you to this interface. This is the app we need for this work. So you click on this particular app. Then when you click on it, it's going to bring you to the other interface. Click here. Click here. Then let's come down to where we have generate media. This generate media. Click on generate media. Okay, this is the one we are going to use. So I'm going to click on it. Then it says describe your video. Here now, use this icon to enter the picture. The picture you generated for the video. Use it to enter the icon. Then you paste your prompt, or you type in your prompt here. So I've already generated the picture and I have my prompt ready. So I'm going to get my picture and my prompt and upload it. So I'll click on the upload icon and wait for it to generate. Okay, our video has been generated. Let me play it. This is the image. This is the video that was generated using image text video. So I'm going to download it. I'll click on this download icon here. Download it. I'll also click on the back button and generate a video for the next scene. I'm going to do it until I generate for all the scenes. I think I have up to 4 scenes, so I'll click on this back button here. So I'm going to upload the next scene, picture of the next scene. That's the picture for the next scene. Click on done. Then I'm going to paste in the prompt and do the same thing. This is how you're going to do it until you generate for all your scenes. So I'm not going to bore you with that. I'll just pause it here. The next thing is to head over to CapCut app to join the videos together. So this is the CapCut app. I'll be clicking on the CapCut. Okay, this is the CapCut interface. So I'm going to click on add new video here. So I'm going to click on add new. This was the first video that was generated, so I'm going to click on it. Click on add. Then I'm going to click. Remember, the video does not have audio. It was not lip sync. The images are not talking, so there was no need for lip syncing. But if your image has to talk, you have to lip sync, and I've taught how to lip sync in my previous tutorials. So check on our previous lessons for lip syncing so I can learn how to lip sync. So to add audio, I'm going to click on add audio. I'm going to get my audio. I'm going back to my prompt to get my audio. So I'll click on add audio here. This is add audio. I'll click on add audio. Then I'm not recording. I'm going to click on text to audio. I'll click on this. Then I'll paste my prompt. I'll paste my prompt here. I'll paste it here. These are the avatars. Click on more to see more of the avatars. So select any of the avatars to do the voiceover for you. So I'll click on this. I'll click on this tick sign. And I'm going to click on next. Don't split. So let's play it and see.
Every morning starts the same until you make it special.
I'm going to drag it. Let's drag it on to get it.
Every morning starts the same until you make it special.
Now I'm going to export this, and yes, I'm going to export this. Click on save to device and give it some end export. I'm doing it one by one because I still have to add audio to all the clips That's why I'm exporting, so that it doesn't clash, so that the audio does not clash. So I'm bringing in the next clip that I generated. Remember the clip generated before, so this is the next this is the next clip. Clicking on add, then I'm going to add the voiceover. I'll go and get the audio and add the voiceover. So this is what I'm going to do for all the scenes until I add the voiceover for all the scenes. I'm done generating the voiceover for each clip. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bring them together, bring all the clips together. So I'll start with the first clip. This was the first clip, so I'm bringing it in.
Every morning starts.
Let's play.
Every morning starts the same until you make it special.
I'm going to click on this sign, this plus sign, to bring in the next clip. This was the next clip.
1 cup of Nescafe.
So let me play it.
1 cup of Nescafe. Bold aroma, smooth taste, and suddenly the day begins to smile.
Now add third clip. So third clip. And the fourth clip. So I've brought all of them together.
Awaken your moments. Start your day with Nescafe.
So the next thing I'm going to do is to add sound to this video. So I'm going to come down here. This is audio, where you have audio. I'll click on audio, then I'll click on sound. I'll click on this plus sign to add to my video. Let's play it.
Every morning starts the same until you make it special. 1 cup of Nescafe. Bold aroma, smooth taste, and every morning starts the same.
I'm going to increase the volume for this. I'll click on volume here to increase the volume for this slightly louder.
Every morning starts the same until you make it special. 1 cup of Nescafe. Bold aroma. Awaken your moment. Awaken your moments.
Then the next thing is to add captions to it. If you want to add captions, click on this is caption here. Click on caption. Enter caption. Let me wait for the template to load so that I can choose the template I want. Let me use this template and I'll click on generate. Give it some time to generate. After it's ready, let me move it up here. And let's play it and see what it is.
Every morning starts the same until you make it special. 1 cup of Nescafe. Bold aroma, smooth taste, and suddenly the day begins to smile. Because it's more than coffee. It's the spark that wakes your world. Awaken your moments. Start your day with Nescafe.
Then the next thing we are going to do is aspect ratio. This video is for YouTube or Facebook or TikTok. The aspect ratio is The aspect ratio is 16. This aspect ratio. Let me go back. This aspect ratio here. Click on aspect ratio for Facebook or TikTok or YouTube. The aspect ratio is 16:9. Then for TikTok it's 9:6. Then for Facebook or YouTube it's 16:9. So I'm clicking this. Then I'll click on this. So it has. The aspect ratio has been added. I think this video is ready. Next I'm going to do is to export it. Click on export and our advert video is ready. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to encourage us to do more. Share this video, share it, comment on it, give it a thumbs up. See you in our next video. Bye bye.